How to activate app lock on Android. So if you want to activate app lock on Android devices, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now scroll down and here you will have security. Tap on security. Under security you may have privacy and app encryption. Tap on that and here you need to verify with your fingerprint or you can use your password, and then you need to tap on app encryption. Once you choose the app encryption, here you will have app lock time, right? So you can simply choose any app that you would like to log. So for example, I'll be choosing CapCut and my calculator. Once you choose the applications, now you can remove that and you can search for calculator. And now if you tap on the calculator, then it will ask you to enter your fingerprint or your password. So once you enter your password, you will be taken to your calculator. So that's how you can activate the app lock on any Android device, on any of your applications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.